How to view the market. View the market. Analyze the market trend. It is the first step to start trading. Log into XTrend Speed app. Click to enter the market page. You can see the real-time prices of hundreds of symbols. First of all, we can see there are 3 real-time fluctuating numbers near the symbol. They respectively refers to selling price, buying price and spread. The selling price refers to the price at which you open a position when you predict a bearish market trend. The buying price refers to the price at which you open a position when you predict a bullish market trend. The spread is the difference between the buying price and the selling price. Compared with the spreads of other trading platforms, the spreads on XTrend Speed are lower, which means that your trading costs are lower and your profits are higher. Now XTrend Speed has hundreds of tradable symbols including Forex, commodities, indices, cryptocurrency, and shares. Choose the symbol you are interested in, and view more detailed market information. Remember to add the symbol you are interested in to your favorites.